On June 30, the 149-year-old tradition in Jammu and Kashmir known as the Darbar Move came to an end. The Darbar Move was a biannual practice in which the government functions for 6 months each in the two capitals of Srinagar and Jammu. Dogra monarch Maharaja Gulab Singh is believed to have started the tradition of shifting the capital in 1872 in order to escape extreme weather conditions in these places. He used to shift his capital between Srinagar in the summer and Jammu in the winter. Thus, Srinagar became the summer capital and Jammu the winter capital. The tradition was continued after 1947 by Jammu and Kashmir's political class as it acted as a major bridge and a space for interaction between two diverse linguistic and cultural groups of Kashmir and Jammu regions. When summer sets in, the offices in Jammu close on the last week of April and move to Srinagar, where it reopens on the first week of May. Similarly, during winter, the offices shut down in Srinagar on the last week of October to reopen in Jammu on the first week of November. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court also moves from Jammu to Srinagar in summers and vice versa in winters. Around 8,000 to 9,000 employees working in civil secretariats with headquarters in Jammu and Srinagar would move along with files twice every year. Hundreds of trucks are usually plied to carry furniture, office files, computers, and other records to the capital. The moving staff were also provided with travel fares and accommodation on both places. Over the years, there have been voices raised against the Darbar move, which involves heavy funding towards ensuring the smooth conduct of the move. But the practice also received public support as it helped in generating economic activity in both Jammu and Srinagar. The government was criticized heavily and the matter reached the courts in 2020. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court in 2020 observed that there was no legal justification or constitutional basis for the Darbar move tradition. The court pointed out that the practice resulted in wastage of tremendous amount of time, efforts, and energy on an inefficient and unnecessary activity. In April this year, the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha deferred the biannual Darbar move to Srinagar. On June 20, he announced that the Jammu and Kashmir administration has completely transitioned to e-office, thereby ending the practice of the biannual Darbar move. The administration served notice to employees to vacate the Darbar move related accommodations in 21 days in Jammu and Srinagar. Now both the Jammu and Srinagar secretariats will function simultaneously for 12 months with a fixed number of staff on both sides. This will save the government 200 crore per year, which will be used for the welfare of the deprived sections.